Today, my topic is the status of Lustre on Arm64. My name is Sinan Liu from Linux server team. Okay, this is the agenda. First, we will go through the status on Arm64 of Lustre, and then we'll share our IO500 performance test results, and the last, the future plan. Okay, we'll go for the CI first. And currently, the upstream CI only tests ARM client, that is in the server end, it is 86, and the client end is ARM's client, and it just run a basic 70 test use per trade. So to enhance the support of ARM, we need a complete ARM CI. So we talked to the Lustre community. We say, hey, Lustre community, can we add a complete ARM CI? They just say, for some complicated reasons, they suggest that we can add maybe we can add external ARM CI. That is, we can test both server end and the client end, and we can run a full test use. And this is the external CI solution inside. As you can see, we use the Jenkins pilot test engine. Inside the CI, we have several phases, which is prevision phase. At this phase, we set up a final cluster, use the telephone, and on our ARM developer cloud, we have two clients, two metadata server, and one object server. And in the no initial phase, we set up the test environment, such as the SS connectivity and the multi-node deployment configuration file. And in the test phase, you run the test, and we also can upload the test result to the upstream community. That is, they call the MaruDB. Yes, this is the solution inside, and this is the page website and our source code. And in the page reg, you can see a test plan per OS. It mainly consists of two parts. This is the build part. In the build part, we will build the Lustre binary RPM packages. And in the run test glue stage, it will run 3 test glue parallelly. Yeah, currently our test OS locate Linux EL8 and EL9, and the latest open user LTS versions. And this is the test glue in detail. Yeah, you can see each test glue contains many test cells. And the key point is that we pass most of the test case. And after test the lustre, we want to share our binary to the community. So the user can go to this link and go down this Arm support path and download our verify or test RPMs. These are the current build OS. Okay, let's go to the Buffet part. Yeah, when we set up the CI and running the CI, we found that the several daily, not many, but very, but at least maybe 1 to 10. It's about 10 very critical issue to solve at first. That is the build and the cache ones. And in the 500 tests, we also found 2 critical issues that will come again at that part. And these issues found in the CI are all fixed and merged in the upstream community. And as we add more test suits, we found more and more failed tests. And we managed to fix the basic test suits. That are the sanity test suits. And these are all fixed. And of course, there's still some other test suits have some failed tests need to be addressed. Very few. Okay, let me give a summary about the ARM status. First, we have several years ago, we heard some vendors have already verified ARM claim. And we have already released Lustre RPM on the Open Euler latest LTS. And in the CI, we have passed most of the tests on the master and the latest LTS version, that is 2.15. And yeah, the base one is passed. This is standard. And very few failed tests to be addressed now. And currently verified OS ELA, EL9, and the latest Open Euler LTS. So we think it is time already to verify or adopt ARM Lustre on the production environment. We do help China partner adopt the ARM CAM in their HPC production environment. Yeah, maybe although the last scan on the compute node first is good to start. Okay, let's come to the L500 test. So, what is L500 test? It is a benchmark. It is for a distributed file system. You have several test phases to test a distributed file system in many aspects, such as the metadata, memory, and so on. And it utilizes the IOR and anti-test tools. You can see more about at this website. Yeah, this is our test bed. Hardware part. We have in the server end, we have 6 server, ARM server. In the client end, we have 10 clients, and they connect with each other with the 100 kb IP network. And also, we insert very powerful performance NVMe SSD disk in the machines. And there are the software versions we use. We try to use the latest stable software versions. And when we found a problem, we will feedback to the upstream. Maybe we will also try the master branch. Okay, this is the one server test. The best score we got is 21.7. And with the MPIO API for the IOHA test phases. You can see the BMW is already reached the hardware limit. And this is the multi-node test. The best score we get is 58.8. And looking at the BMW, we also almost reached the hardware limit. But the IOPs may be not as good as we expect. We still need some time to investigate this. This is the issues when we're learning the IO500 test. The first two is the crash one. They happen occasionally, and in the server end, we are running the anti-test hardware phase. Maybe learning one day they will happen once. And this is known issues in the upstream. We can work around it by enlarging the LUR latency. And this is a learning issue caused by the firewall. We can fix it by stopping the firewall. And we also found that for the IO hard phases, the MPIO API is not performed as expected. So in the left figure, one server test, you can see the blue one is the POTIS API. You can see there's still got some improvements for the long IO MPIO implementation, but not for the open MPIO. And for the 6 server test, you can see it draws a lot compared to the blue POSES API. And we also fire a discussion about this. On the upstream, we talk about this. And the people also say they encounter these issues, but they don't know why. And oh, sorry, should be L-how line here. Yeah, this is the line part. As you can see, it's too much compared to the blue one, the POSES API. Okay, let's come to the tuning path. For how to use the MPIO API, you need to first build the open MPI or the MPI SH with Lustre 5 system support. And then in the L500 configure, you need to specify the API to MEI-IO and the collective buffering IO set to true. And when running, we need to also specify the file system to the Lustre also. This is a learning test, maybe. And for the Lustre training, we refers to the previous other PPL's work. That is, in the server end, we need to increase the RPC size and the in-flight number for the large IP network. And in the client side, we need to set more aggressive RPC to the server, and also disable debug and avoid the soft lockup issue we have mentioned before. Yes, this is the last test directory setting. We need to open the directory stripping and overstripping for the IOHA test phases. And also, for the small size files, we can enable store in the metadata. Yes, this is the future plan. And we will keep maintaining the Arm CI. And also, we will address some issues we found when running the IO500 test. And first, we will try some advanced and new feature, important feature, such as caching in the client side, And in the metadata side, they will get a huge performance increase. And also some important features, such as compression and encryption. And also, we will continue to support our partners to adopt Lustre on ARM. Okay, thank you. Any question?
I do have one question. So you refer that we can get 21.6 score, right, in IO500 testing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my question is, so what is the usually x86 machines guide? So in this.
Machine, right?
I mean, so for the x86 machine.
Oh, sorry, we haven't tested this yet. And we do have a test start in the high silicon guy.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah. According to their report, their best score is because the high silicon guy have a do IO500 test before in the CentOS OS. We do our test in the OpenEULA. The best score they got is the 33. And they say in the report the performance of ARM is as par as 86. I think 86 the score is maybe it's allowed 30. I think.
Thank you.
Any other questions? So you mentioned that our CI, I mean the CI that Linaro is running in the beginning, it's running only the client on ARM, and the servers are running in x86 machines.
Yes, the upstream can. Yeah.
Okay. Do we have any plans to move these only for to run both servers and clients to ARM machines?
You mean the Lustre servers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the CI clusters are running on ARM, so including the client and the servers. So that's right, Xinyang?
Yes, because we talk about this with the community, our first intent is to set up the complete ARM CI on the upstream, but they said that there is some reasons because the infrastructure of the CI is located in another company. That's a good question. So they just asked to set up an internal CI. Yeah, we have set up this one. Yeah, just test all the machines are ARM. Yeah.
But is this already running?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So DDN previously had a ARM CI, but only for ARM client.
Yeah, we have run the test every day. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.